Hey everyone, Josh here. I've got Laura here with me, and today we are unboxing two new subs, they are hers, so she's the reason why she is here watching me do it. So I wanted to get it on video, and she just wanted to get them unboxed, so this is the compromise. So we'll start off. We have a pair. We've got one here, one still on the pallet. They are Edge EDX12D1SPL-E7s. They weigh an absolute, they weigh a lot. They are, according to the packaging, 44 kilos gross weight. So yeah, these aren't going to be fun to move about and whatever. So getting the box undone. They are double bagged, if you want to call it that. There we go. Mucky fingerprints because I say when I open, my fingers are dirty. I'll just talk very quickly about where these are going. These are going into Laura's Mark 6 Golf. I don't think I've actually had any videos of it on the channel. But hopefully with the new build for this, I should get some bits and pieces up and on that. So let's figure out how we get this thing out. So in between the two boxes we've got two bits of polystyrene, and I don't actually know if the whole thing has to come out or not. There are some handles, maybe handles. Actually, I may have to be worth putting this on the floor and then trying to get it out that way. There we go, so a nice polystyrene cube. We actually now remove the edges. Okay, so there we go. It is rather large. Oh, it's got that new sub smell. So you can see from the side, it is absolutely massive.
So, a bit about the sub. The EDX12D1SPL-E7 is the biggest 12 in the Edge lineup. It has a 10-inch spider and 8-gauge direct leads, which are much nicer than the push-fit connectors. It has a USA-built 8-layer flat-wound voice coils with a 75mm copper winding. This one is rated to 5000 watts with an FS of 32 Hz.